Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to convert Figma design to Flutter code. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get right into it. Now the first thing you're going to have to do is of course select the design that you would like to convert into Flutter, and then you're going to open this website called function12.io. You're simply going to click on share on the specific file of your Figma design. Click on this, copy on copy the link by clicking on copy link. Go to function 12, paste your Figma link over here, click on translate for free, and you're first going to log in into your Figma account. Click on allow access over here, and let's wait for it to proceed. There we go. It's now importing our design into this website over here. And after that, we're simply going to wait once again. Then we're going to demonstrate to you how you will be able to convert it into a Flutter code. So let's simply give it some time. And there we go. We have our design over here, as you can see. Now what you're going to do simply is you're going to select the specific frame that you would like to export. For example, this one over here on the untitled site page. And you're simply going to click on export over here in the middle. Click on export. Right now we have to sign up. So we're going to sign up first. And there we go, we finished signing up. So we're back here. Now what you're going to do is you click on export again, and now you will be able to have the option to convert your design into Flutter code over here by simply clicking this option over here. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.